Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a MapleLeaf 4 effect in iClone 7. Once you already open your iClone 7, you just need to click here and you select the particle, you click the small arrow beside the particle and you click the small arrow beside the legacy. Click the legacy. Here you should be able to see a 4. Just need to drag it down. Drag the 4 into your iClone 7. Then next you just need to click play. Now you should be able to see the MapleLeaf falling effect. Of course, you can always back to the scenes. You can delete it as well. Now I apply again. Now it's without any effect. I click play, nothing happens. Now if I drag this 4 into the iClone 7, I just need to click play. For any time you can see the MapleLeaf is falling down. It is really romantic and you can apply it in any scenes. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive the notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy and happy animation.